Cancer dies when you start eating these 10 foods immediately. Here we will know about cancer dies when you start eating these 10 foods immediately. When talking about cancer, this is a disease caused by the growth of abnormal cells in the body, and they harm our body in multiple ways. When talking about the types, there are more than 100 types of cancer. Some of the most seen types of cancer are breast, skin, ovarian, pancreatic, colon, and prostate cancer. Well, for your knowledge, let me tell you that every type of cancer has its own symptoms, and according to the studies, cancer is the second most common disease that causes death. The reason behind developing cancer are also multiple. They include smoking, drinking, alcohol exposure to the sun, obesity, exposure to harmful chemicals, and many more. Cancer cannot be prevented, as sometimes it is caused by the environment in which we live, and hence management of some lifestyle habits and taking a well-planned diet is the only option left to us to prevent or lower the chances of cancer. There is some food available that are rich in antioxidants and phytochemicals that offers anti-cancer benefits. The 10 foods listed below are actually anti-angiogenesis, and that is the reason why they can help you in stopping cancer growth in the body, because they affect the feeding of cancer. Cancer dies when you start eating these 10 foods immediately. 1. Broccoli. Broccoli is an effective tool used to reduce the risk of cancer. This cruciferous vegetable contains compound called glucosinolates, which produces protective enzymes in the body. One of the million enzymes present in the broccoli is sulforaphane, which helps reduce the risk of cancer by flushing out cancer-causing chemicals. Sulforaphane also targets cancer stem cells that aid in tumor growth. A study organized in 2011 says that sulforaphane in broccoli is effective against mouth, breast, liver, lung, bladder, and stomach cancers. You should eat about 2 cups of boiled or steamed broccoli 2 to 3 times per week. 2. Green tea. The green is popularly known to reduce the risk of various types of cancer. There are many powerful compounds present in the green tea, such as catechins, epicatechin, etc. These compounds help in preventing the development of cancer cells. Green tea is also known to prevent free radical from damaging cells. 2 to 3 cups of green tea should be consumed every day in order to decrease the risks of cancer. You can also opt for green tea extracts after consulting a doctor. 3. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are a good source of lycopene. This is a powerful antioxidant that helps in fighting cancer. This antioxidant boosts the immune system and protects the cells from critical damage. Tomatoes also stop abnormal cell growth, and also they are rich in vitamins such as A, C, and E. These vitamins prevent free radical damage in the body. Consuming products made up of cooked or raw tomatoes are more likely to decrease the risk of cancer. These red tomatoes are also effective in reducing the risk of endometrial, breast, lung, and stomach cancers. To enjoy the maximum anti-cancer benefits of tomatoes, you should eat a cup of sliced tomatoes daily. Also, include the products of tomatoes in your daily routine diet. 4. Blueberries. Blueberries are rich in cancer-fighting phytonutrients and antioxidants. These berries neutralize the free radicals that can cause damage to the cells and cause many diseases, including cancer. They are also enriched in vitamin C and K, manganese, and dietary fibers, which can help in lowering cancer risk. These berries help in reducing mouth, ovarian, liver, prostate, lung, and skin cancer. To get the anti-cancer benefits of blueberries, take half or 1 cup of frozen blueberries every day. 5. Ginger. Ginger is very helpful in reducing the risk of various types of cancer. The antioxidants present in the ginger inhibits the growth of cancerous cells. The ginger limits the growth of cancer cells in the body and thus stopping it from growing further. Ginger can also prevent lung, breast, skin, and pancreatic cancers. Drink almost 2 to 3 cups of ginger tea daily and include ginger in your cooking. If you are more in favor of supplements, then always prefer to visit a doctor before taking ginger supplements. 6. Garlic. Garlic comes with components such sulfur and arginine and selenium, All these components are known very well to reduce the risk of cancer. If you can manage to consume garlic on a regular basis, then you can slow down the progression of various types of cancer cells in your body. We recommend the use of cooked and boiled garlic instead of supplements, as these are stronger and works way better than the supplements. So, start eating garlic on a regular basis to prevent cancer from growing in your body. 7. Spinach. Spinach is known for its component lutein. This is an antioxidant that plays a key role in guarding against cancer. Also, the carotenoids in the spinach protect your body from free radical damage. The beta-carotene, vitamin A, folate and fiber in spinach also plays a vital role in preventing cancer. Regular intake of green spinach is recommended to prevent many types of cancers such as mouth, ovarian, lung, endometrial, colorectal and more cancers. Eat 1 cup of spinach a few times a week. Try to add it to your salad, soup, smoothie or mixed vegetable juices, as spinach is high in oxalic acid contents, and these can prevent the absorption of iron and calcium in the body. Have a glass of orange juice or tomato juice while you take spinach. Avoid using spinach if you have an oxalate-restricted diet plan. 8. Pomegranate. Another food with anti-cancer benefits is pomegranate. This contains a very good amount of antioxidants. This juicy fruit also has a mixture of phenols, flavonoids, which helps in modulating cellular biochemistry. Polyphenols, in particular, helps in keeping a check on the various biological events involved in cancer pathogenesis and progression. Pomegranate is effective in reducing the risk of breast, colon, liver, skin and prostate cancers. Add this fruit to your morning cereals, smoothie and fruit salad or drinks its juices. Applying these things will help you in fighting cancer. 9. Walnut. Another food among the best fighters of cancer is walnut. Walnut contains a good amount of polyphenols and phytochemicals and have antioxidants properties. They are also rich in anti-cancer compounds such as allagitannins and alpha-linolenic acid. Eat 1 ounce of walnuts daily. This will help you in fighting against cancer. You can also add walnut to salads, soups or smoothies. 10. Grapes. Both grapes and grape seeds are rich in the antioxidants resveratrol that offers anti-cancer benefits. It blocks the action of a protein that causes cancer growth. In addition, the anti-inflammatory properties of grapes prevent chronic oxidative stress and chronic inflammation. Eat a cup of fresh grapes daily. If you prefer seed-extracted grapes, then consult your doctor for once